This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view or show your hidden apps on your iPhone. So to hide an app, it's very easy. Just go over to the app like this one right here, hold down on it, and go to where it says require password. So let's just go to it, go to require passcode, hide and require passcode right here, select this, and now it should be hidden once you enter in this passcode. So let's enter this in real quick and go to hide app. Okay, now to view it, go all the way to the right, and you can see hidden apps down here. We can just tap this and then type in our passcode real quick. Okay, so here's my two hidden apps now, and I can go to them now. I believe we can just go to don't require passcode if you hold down on it, and it will remove it through here. And I got to change my passcode to something a little bit easier here, but we should be able to remove it if we just click that option. So you can just hold down right here under hidden apps, type in your password, and then you should be good to go. So that's just all the way at the bottom. Another area you can view this is if you go to settings. So let's go over to settings, tap this, and then we want to go to the main settings menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom so you can see your name. Go to the bottom, here's apps, and then we can go to the hidden apps, which should be located at the bottom of this list. So hidden apps right here. And then type in your passcode and you should be able to view those apps in there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.